Imagine you're having your roof repaired or simply want to shield it from the elements. Instead of the typical approach, consider a unique solution, an umbrella for your roof. But don't picture your average sunshade. This is a specialized setup from Safety Rail Source. Posts are anchored on the roof, and a durable fabric is stretched over them. Sure, it's a bit more complex than just pressing a button, but the result is worth it. Your roof stays safe from rain, hail, or any unexpected debris that might blow in. It's like giving your home a protective canopy, keeping everything secure and dry, no matter the weather. Imagine a world where everyday tasks become just a little bit easier, step by step. Enter ROSA, a clever little robot from Quantum Robotic Systems, designed to tackle one of life's more mundane challenges, climbing stairs. ROSA doesn't just climb, she conquers. With a steady move to the bottom step, she lifts her upper body onto it and then pulls her lower half along, inching her way up until the stairs are behind her. But ROSA's abilities aren't just for show. She's built to make your life easier. With a load capacity of 55 pounds, ROSA can carry items around the house with ease. Need something heavy moved upstairs? ROSA's got it covered. And she's not limited to stairs. ROSA moves autonomously throughout your home, handling various tasks. And if you think ROSA is the only innovation from Quantum Robotic Systems, think again. They've even developed stair-climbing lamps designed for disinfection, proving that when it comes to making life easier, they've thought of everything. We've all seen robots that vacuum our homes, but what about outdoor spaces? Enter the LAVO bot, a remarkable solution for keeping large areas clean with minimal effort. Setting it up is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes, and once it's going, it can clean for up to 6 hours. The LAVO bot uses a 100-foot hose to spray water at varying rates, depending on what's needed. Whether it's a gentle rinse or a more thorough wash, this robot can handle it all, 30% faster than traditional methods. Priced at $14,400, it's not just a cleaning tool. It's a game changer that makes you wonder what the future of outdoor cleaning will look like with more robots in the mix. It seems that soon, connecting this kind of robot to various services will be managed by another robot, while a metal dog roams nearby, gathering what its metal colleague collects. As for the humans, they'll likely be quite content with this robotic takeover. Ever wish your vacuum cleaner didn't sound like a jet engine taking off? Meet the QV, the world's quietest vacuum cleaner. It may sound like just another sales pitch, but the company behind it backs up their claim with evidence. The QV series vacuums feature quiet vac technology, emitting just 77 dB at full speed and 76 dB at 2,800 RPM. That's whisper quiet compared to other vacuums. But there's more to the QV than just its quiet operation. These vacuums pack a punch, with power ranging from 4.1 kilowatts to 6.6 kilowatts depending on the model. And with a dust sock system that acts as a secondary filter, the QV ensures that less dust escapes from the bag, keeping your home cleaner. Plus, thanks to clutches on the handlebars, maneuvering the vacuum in tight spaces is a breeze. The QV isn't just a vacuum, it's a cleaning revolution. There are times when traditional cooling systems just don't cut it. That's where the Spirit comes into play. In just a minute, this powerful atomizer is ready to spray up to 5 gallons of water per hour, cooling a vast area efficiently. The secret to its longevity? A 70-gallon tank that ensures it keeps going, even in the hottest conditions. Moving it around is a cinch thanks to its wheels, and it's super easy to assemble and operate. With adjustable water flow and spray angles, the Spirit is designed to make staying cool not just easy, but enjoyable too. When the summer heat becomes unbearable, VAGKRI steps in to save the day. This air cooler doesn't just push warm air around, it truly cools it, thanks to its advanced evaporative cooling technology. With a total cooling area of 800 square feet and a performance of 2,200 cubic feet per minute, VAGKRI ensures that every corner of the room feels refreshing. What makes VAGKRI even more impressive is its versatility. It offers 3 cooling modes and 3 speeds, so you can customize your comfort. The 9-gallon reservoir is easy to refill, whether you do it manually or with a garden hose. And with a user-friendly control panel and remote control, changing settings is a breeze. At just $300, VAGKRI is the perfect investment for a cool and comfortable summer. When it comes to composting, who needs complex gadgets? Yardfly offers a refreshingly simple solution with the GEOBIN. Setting it up is about as hard as rolling out a rug. Seriously, just shape it into a barrel and secure the edges, and you're ready to start composting. It holds a whopping 247 gallons, but if you need more space, you can easily expand it by connecting additional bins. At just $36 per bin, it's an affordable and effective way to compost without the hassle of more advanced systems. Setting up a parasol might seem like a daunting task, but with this one, the effort is well worth it. First, you need to set up and fill the base, then install the main pole, and finally, assemble the protective fabric cover. It takes some time, but the result is a parasol that's more than just a sunshade. This parasol boasts an aluminum frame, polypropylene base, and weather-resistant fabric that can handle rain, snow, and everything in between. But what sets it apart is its flexibility. Thanks to the patented Easy Sun rotation system, you can adjust the parasol 360 degrees, locking it into 20 different positions. Whether you're shielding yourself from the sun, wind, or rain, this parasol has you covered from every angle. TECHNOCLEAN introduces a flying drone that redefines window and solar panel cleaning. It might not have a catchy name, but it sure gets the job done. Controlled by a remote, this drone sprays purified water using advanced reverse osmosis technology, leaving surfaces spotless without putting anyone at risk. Need a little extra cleaning power? The drone can also apply chemicals for an even deeper clean. While it typically takes 40 days to clean a skyscraper's windows using traditional methods, this drone does it 5 to 10 times faster, making it not just efficient, but a revolutionary tool for maintaining high-rise buildings. We've already discussed cooling the area around your home, but the SIDEKICK fan takes it to the next level. Priced at $2,600, this fan has a 4-foot diameter and can push a massive amount of air, all while operating at a low noise level. It's big, it's powerful, and it's surprisingly quiet. But if you need something even more effective, consider the Cool Space evaporative coolers. These units can cool the temperature down to 64 degrees Fahrenheit and cover a vast area, depending on the model. Prices range from $2,900 for the simplest option to $4,750 for the most advanced. With Cool Space, you can keep your entire outdoor space comfortable, no matter how hot it gets. Traditional solar collectors for heating pool water are often bulky and unattractive, but SUNLINE offers a sleek alternative that combines form and function. This flexible system connects directly to your pool, circulating water through pipes that warm it up before returning it to the pool. Its flat, adaptable design allows for easy installation in spaces where other systems might not fit. While it may not be a showpiece, its discreet appearance ensures it seamlessly blends into your surroundings. Fed up with shoes cluttering your entryway? The hidden shoe rack provides an innovative solution. When you need to store or retrieve your footwear, the cabinet glides effortlessly out from beneath the floor. Equipped with built-in lighting, it makes finding your shoes easy, even in the dark, and operates quietly at just 32 decibel, ensuring it doesn't disrupt your home's tranquility. This hidden shoe rack isn't just functional, it's a chic addition to your space. With its modern design and seamless operation, it's the ideal way to maintain a tidy and stylish entryway. Hydroponic farming has gone from futuristic to feasible with the AEROSPRING system, which lets you grow crops right in your home. All you need is a $1,200 tent, a bit of space, and a few minutes to set it up. Once it's ready, the system takes care of everything: lighting, watering, and ventilation, so your plants thrive in comfort. The tent's wheeled base makes it easy to move, and its design ensures no light leaks out to disturb your home. Plus, you can control the entire setup remotely, making it as convenient as it is innovative. At MULTIMO, they're experts in space-saving solutions. Take a look at their ingenious system that looks like a simple couch, with storage spaces and a bed on top of a ladder. But with a few simple adjustments, you'll discover a pull-out table, with each step of the ladder doubling as additional storage. MULTIMO doesn't stop there. They offer a range of transforming furniture that converts into bunk beds, with even more storage options. These solutions are perfect for anyone looking to maximize space without sacrificing style. Say goodbye to clunky drying racks with Fox Dry's ingenious solution. This ceiling-mounted dryer stays out of sight when not in use, freeing up valuable space. When it's time to dry your clothes, the rack lowers down smoothly, holding up to 77 pounds of laundry. It even comes with built-in lighting and ventilation, speeding up the drying process. Priced at $513, it's more than just a drying rack. It's a smart space-saving appliance that makes laundry day a little easier. These fold-up doors and windows offer a space-saving solution that's both functional and stylish. Unlike traditional designs that swing open from the sides, these fold upwards, making them ideal for compact spaces where every inch matters. Beyond their practicality, they make a striking design statement. With a sleek, modern aesthetic, these doors and windows are sure to catch the eye of anyone who visits or passes by your home, perfectly blending beauty with functionality. Opening up your patio has never been simpler. Thanks to VERANDAIR, in just a few seconds or a couple of minutes at most, you can slide the doors aside and transform your outdoor space. Depending on the model, you can move all the parts to one side or just the central elements, giving you the flexibility to open your patio in the way that best suits your needs. Setting up the DGX-S solar-powered water heater might be a bit of a challenge, but the results are worth it. First, you'll need to place a 26-gallon tank on the roof or another open location, then connect it to pipes, and finally hook it up to your home's plumbing system. Once installed, this system uses the sun's rays to heat water to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which then flows into your plumbing system. But the DGX-S isn't just a water heater, it's a sustainable solution. You don't need to connect it to your plumbing system if you don't want to. It can also serve as a standalone container from which you can draw water as needed. Just be sure to use the water within 48 to 72 hours after heating, as that's how long the system maintains the temperature. If stargazing is your passion, why not take it to the next level with a personal observatory from Prima Lona Lab? This high-tech setup includes a 10-foot dome, a customizable telescope, and all the gadgets you need for remote operation, thanks to their Eagle system. Everything is designed to give you the best possible experience, from capturing stunning images to enjoying the night sky from the comfort of your home. The only catch? The $70,000 price tag doesn't include delivery or installation, so you'll need to figure out how to manage the logistics of this 1,540-pound kit. But once it's set up, the universe is yours to explore. Finally, let's talk about Dolly. Earlier, we introduced you to ROSA, the robot with a 55-pound lifting capacity. But for more serious hauling, Quantum Robotic Systems has developed the Dolly E, a powerful solution with a load capacity of 500 pounds. Whether you need to move heavy furniture or bulky items around the house, Dolly E is up to the task. What's most impressive is that Dolly E can climb stairs too. The part carrying the load lifts and places itself on a step, then the rest of the device follows suit. The only downside? It's not a fully autonomous robot. You'll need to operate it yourself. But with Dolly E making transportation so much easier, you might not mind the extra effort.